A sleek, minimalist wellness bowl pops up on your feed with a design that seems just a little too perfect to ignore. The aesthetic is flawless. The website looks like it was designed by a world class agency. It features clean white spaces, sophisticated thin fonts, and high definition photos of vibrant, healthy meals. This is exactly how the Restora Bowl site operates. It uses a high end look to make you feel like you are dealing with a premium, established brand. But a pretty face on a website can be incredibly deceptive. I spent some time digging into the digital footprint of this specific store, and the results are honestly a bit chilling. There's almost nothing out there. When you buy something online, you usually look for a trail of breadcrumbs. You want to see people complaining on social media or praising the product in a detailed blog post. You want to see a history that stretches back more than just a few weeks or months. This site lacks all of that. It is like a ghost in the machine. It looks professional, sure. It looks like it belongs in the pages of a high-end lifestyle magazine. But where are the real human voices? Where are the verified buyers who have actually held this bowl in their hands? Most reputable brands spend years building a foundation of public accountability. They want you to see their reviews because that social proof is their biggest asset. Here we have a total void. It is a massive red flag when a wellness brand uses such aggressive, health-focused messaging without any external validation to back it up. They tell you it will change your lifestyle. They promise simplicity and health. But without independent testing or transparent feedback, those are just words on a screen. Scam analysis tools are flagging this site right now. It is not necessarily because they caught the owners doing something illegal. It is because the lack of data is a major risk in itself. It sits in a strange gray area. It is not quite a confirmed fraud, but it is definitely not a trusted household name yet. You are essentially gambling with your money when you shop at a place with such a limited history. Think about the risk of your personal data being out there on a platform that has no established track record. It is not just about the money you spend on the product itself. It is about the security of your information. I always tell people to trust their gut when a site feels too polished for its age. If you cannot find a single person on a third-party forum talking about their delivery times or the quality of the material, you should probably keep your credit card in your wallet. The marketing is designed to make you feel safe. It uses that gentle lifestyle-focused appeal to lower your guard. Do not let a nice color palette distract you from the fact that there is zero public accountability here. We live in an age where anyone can buy a professional template and look like a million-dollar corporation overnight. It only takes a few minutes to set up a shop that looks like it has been around for a decade. The real test is the community response. If the community is silent, that silence is a warning. This particular site is currently sitting in a low verification category. That means experts have looked at it and found nothing to prove it is legitimate. It is the digital equivalent of a mystery box. You might get exactly what you ordered, or you might get nothing at all. The risk falls entirely on you. A brand that truly cares about wellness would prioritize transparency. They would have customer support that responds in real time. They would have a presence on major review platforms where they respond to criticism. This site has none of those markers. It is a polished shell with an empty interior. If you are tempted by the design, just take a step back. Ask yourself why no one else is talking about them. Real trust is earned through time and consistent quality. It is not something you can just buy with a fancy logo and some clever marketing copy. Stay smart and protect your hard-earned money from these polished but unproven sites. Stay skeptical out there.